She was hit by a motorcycle. She had puppies, and she continued to take care of her puppies in excruciating pain. Dora was in a really bad way when she was found. She was confused and sad and anxious and stressed. The fact that she was willing to eat gave me the sense that she really didn't want to die. When I initially saw that, my heart broke. I knew I could take her on.
I know you're afraid.
And so at that point, her puppies were fostered, and we found good homes for them. We picked her up, and we took her immediately to the vet.
Good girl, I know.
He said, I can still see that she has some feeling in her legs. We need to get her to a neurologist.
Yeah, we're gonna make you better. We're gonna make you better. You see, you're gonna feel so much better. Oh. Yeah.
Dora had to have 2 spinal surgeries, but she is a fighter, and she was determined. She came around from the surgeries. I could see that slowly, she was starting to improve. And she actually taught herself how to walk on her front 2 feet. And she would walk around like a gymnast. She started to develop incredible strength in her 2 front legs. And we thought, hey, this girl's resilient.
Oh, look at you, Dora. Where are you going? Hi. Dora, it's so nice to see you. Walking so well and looking so good. Dora, good girl. Oh my goodness. This is Dora's first time out since her 2nd surgery. This is actually her first time in her wheelchair after her surgery. Come on, Dora.
She took off. She was like, phew. And it gave me great hope. She's very, very aware that we are trying to help her. When I first got Dora, I knew immediately that a small town in Mexico was not the right place for her, that she needed physical therapy and resources that we just don't have here. And I'm so excited. Dora will be going to a home sanctuary in Washington State that's called Angels with Misplaced Wings.
Since her surgery. Come on, Dora.
Dora embodies resilience and hope, service, motherhood, all these things. She's amazing.